Step 1. First, draw 2 squares. First, draw a square shape on the below side of the drawing paper like a plate. Then draw another square on the below square following the upper picture. Step 2. Make a curved line and eyes. We draw a curved line of the upper square, and then we draw 2 circular cute eyes. Step 3. Draw a candle and mouth. First, draw a mouth and tongue following the upper. We draw a candle on the cake, and then draw a fire on the top of the candle. Step 4. Color cream and candle. First, we color the cream pink, then color candle blue. We can paint different colors of the candle and the cake. If you do, then you can send us your drawing via Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Step 5. Color the eyes and tongue. How to draw a cake step by step for kids, easy simple birthday cake drawing for beginner. Draw and color a love cake. Color the eyes black. It looks as if the eyes are looking down. Then color the tongue red. Looking at the tongue, it will seem that the cake is very tasty. Step 6. Paint the fire and make love sign. How to draw a cake step by step for kids, easy simple birthday cake drawing for beginner. Draw and color a love cake. We color the fire and the flame orange. Then we color red or pink love sign.